Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to pin comments on a video in your YouTube channel on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Scroll down to the comment section below the video and locate the comment you want to pin. Step 3. Next, click on the More option, which is represented by the 3 dots icon. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on the Pin icon. If you have already pinned a comment, selecting this option will replace the existing pinned comment. Please note that you can unpin a comment at any time, and it will be moved back to its original position in the comments section. Finally, click on Pin to confirm your selection. Pinning comments on your YouTube channel is a great way to highlight important or engaging comments from your viewers. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.